It's just an amazing organization of what they're doing here, and just like the love and the effort that the employees and everyone involved put in. It's really amazing, and getting to interact with the kids for the first time was really something special. You guys are doing an amazing job. Keep it up. You are helping those that don't really have a voice, and helping families that don't really have the resources to help their kids out, or that don't really know what to do anymore, and you guys are doing an amazing job, so thank you so much for that, and keep it up.
Step by Step is an amazing organization. I haven't experienced anything like it. The people here are so selfless, and you can tell that they're really making an impact on the children and the community.
I'm so impressed by this school. Actually, how people so warm-hearted, and they really want to do something to help this world to get better. And those children really need some help, so I just hope more people can have more attention on this, and more sponsors and maybe government.
I love what you guys are doing here. I've only been here a day, and I can tell that it's just such meaningful work, and it's you can really feel God's hand at work here, and I really respect what they're doing.
Step by Step is fulfilling a very important mission here. I think that by standing up for these kids and giving them a voice that they wouldn't have otherwise, they're bringing some really, really great opportunities and a great future for Tanzania.
I'm very delighted to welcome 18 students from Pepperdine University from USA.
Yeah.
They are volunteering for 2 days to help us put a fence around the school.
Wow.
I'm so delighted.